Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to change name of location on Life360 app in just a few easy steps. Whether it's your home, work, or school, renaming a location is super simple. Now let's get started. First, launch the Life360 app on your phone. This opens up the main dashboard where you can see your family circle and recent activity. Next, make sure you're logged into your account. You won't be able to access or edit any saved places without being signed in. Now, scroll down the screen until you find the Places section. This is where all your saved locations like home or work are listed. Tap on the Manage Places option. This lets you view and manage all your current saved places on the app. Choose the location you want to rename, such as home, work, gym, or any place you've saved before. Once selected, tap on the name field where the current name is displayed. This will open up an editable text box. Now, simply type in the new name you want to give to that location. Make it something you'll easily recognize. Finally, tap Save at the top right corner to confirm your changes. Your location will now appear with the new name across your app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tech tips.